Welcome to St. Hugh's College Library. In this video, we'll tell you how to use the library, how to borrow and return books, and the new measures in place to keep you safe during the pandemic. The library is open 24/7 with closure periods for cleaning at 7 until 9 a.m. and 3 until 4 p.m. on Monday to Friday, and at weekends 8 a.m. until 10 a.m. and 2 until 3 p.m. Following a one-way system, the new library entrance is located by the MGA corridor. Swipe your university card to enter. Exit via the lobby. Before you enter, please use hand sanitizer and scan the QR code with the NHS COVID app to check into the library. You must wear a face mask at all times in the library, even when sitting at a desk. Keep a distance of at least 1 meter from students outside of your household bubble. And please follow the library's cleaning and desk protocols. The library is open for browsing and borrowing. You can borrow up to 20 books at a time for 2 weeks, and 3 DVDs for up to 2 weeks. Books can be renewed up to 4 times unless another student has placed a reservation on them. You can search for a book and renew items using the Bodleian Library catalogue solo. If a book has a shelf mark beginning with stack, please email us so we can retrieve it for you. To borrow a book, press Borrow, scan your library card, place the items on the scan bed, wait for it to go green and press Finish. You can then choose how you'd like your receipt. To return books, press Return, place the item on the scan bed, wait for it to go green and press Finished. Borrowing DVDs is the same as books, but remember to swipe the DVD to unlock the case as you exit. Please make sure you loan items before you leave the library, otherwise you will set the alarm off. If you do set off the alarm, please email us or you may be fined. To ensure the safety of readers and staff, returned books will be quarantined before they are shelved. If you handle a book during your visit and don't loan it, please leave it in a book bin or on a trolley. In light of the pandemic, we have reduced the number of desks available in the library to 11 desk spaces. There is no booking system. They are first come, first served. Please do not sit at or use any desks without chairs. Follow the cleaning protocols in place and try not to stay for longer than 3 hours. We also ask that you do not bring food into the library, only drinks in sealed containers, and that you take your belongings with you when finished. The library has 1 printer and scanner and 1 library PC, though we encourage students to use their laptops where possible. Check out our videos on our LibGuide for a demonstration on how to use the library printer and scanner, and web print. If you are unable to find a particular book from your reading list, you can use our online book suggestion form to recommend it to the library. Please give as much detail as possible when you fill out the form. Thank you for watching, and we hope this has been useful. If you need any help in using the library or accessing materials, contact the library team by telephone or email. For more information, see our library induction guide, LibGuides, and our library website. You can also follow us on social media at St. Hugh's Library.